This is a bib. This is a baby. This
Yeah.
goes on. The baby.
So she's feeding Ashley here.
This is a bottle.
They know what
This
a
is a
bottle.
top. This is a nutzer. This goes in her mouth. Smush.
So she's feeding it.
Then, when you're done feeding, bottle like there, and you bird her.
Yeah, she always loves to feed them. So
Then she's done with the bib. Where's the nutzer?
what do you call it, a nutzer?
And she goes and takes a baby nap.
So she just rocks her.
My baby on a treetop, when the blow, the cradle will rock, when the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. And
That's our doggy.
Someone's at the door.
Okay. Peace. See ya. Awesome. Yeah. This is Graceland, and me and my mom and Graceland are out.